friends into the storm. Got to, bro. Oh my gosh, I know y'all boys saw that. Oh, shit. I know y'all seen that. I know y'all seen that lightning bolt. Oh, shit. Oh my. YouTube, welcome back to another video. What time is it? Oh, it's 12:42. I was gonna say good morning, but good afternoon, YouTube. Let me tell you something. It was nice and sunny earlier today, and now it's raining. So you know what that means, right? We got to get a raining POV. Hey, I look chopped right now, but these Montclair glasses give me like at least 20 attributes, you know what I'm saying? Got the tank top. I left my GoPro at home, but we're gonna grind and give it to you guys on the phone. This is an iPhone 18. You know what? I don't even know what iPhone it is, but I know it's the latest one. So we're gonna do this video. We're probably gonna take the long way home, and then we're gonna be chilling, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get another video out on Sunday. You know, I'm gonna probably try to do 3 or 4 videos this next week. Boys, the stock market is going crazy right now. Bro, I just bought an Onyx coin yesterday, $50, right? It's at a 2 million cap, so it went down 7 million, but I bought it when it dipped, right? By September 4th, gang, rewatch this video. If we do hit it, gang, I'm gonna give it back to y'all. $10 everyone, $10 everyone, you know what I'm saying? But hey, make sure you guys subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, like this video. All right, YouTube, we are finally back, man. Look at the rain, man. Look at this. We finally got a raining POV for y'all. Look at that. So beautiful. It's so calming when it rains. All right, so I'm gonna take the long way home. Hey, chat, you always got to stay dedicated. You always got to come prepared. It doesn't matter what's the circumstance. But, yes, I left my GoPro at home. But we emphasize, we got the phone. And the phone quality is extremely amazing. I got 6K quality on this. 120 FPS. So, boys, look. We got mocha cookie crumble, right? Got some water. And then we got a cookie right there. You know what I'm saying, chat? Gotta come trim. So when I get home, oh, this looks bad. So when I get home, I'm gonna watch the Outer Banks. What are we doing? So yeah, I'm gonna watch the last episode of Outer Banks. I stayed up till 2 a.m. Watch episode 7, 8, and 9. So I wanted to watch the last one, but we didn't have time to do that, so that was a cop right there, I ain't gonna lie. If he pulls me over, I'm gonna tell him, gang, we're live right now. World disaster just happened. No, I'm trolling. All right, I'm trolling right now. I'm trolling. I gotta pay for this photo shoot. It's probably gonna be, not that much, but what are we doing, chat? Bro, what is happening right now, dog? I kid you not, I can't. Here we go. More BS. You better turn. $50 in the rain? What am I feeling like? Just me and you, oh baby. Don't worry, man. I low-key want to taste it. Well, pause. You know what they should have done with the Outer Banks? I'm not gonna lie. They should have made it like 15, 20 episodes. If this is the finale, but I did see rumors and I heard news that they're talking about they're gonna make a sequel, like make it into a movie or something, like the last season. But I don't know about that. Cause I just read something this morning. It's probably fake, but it said Chase Stokes didn't really put his health first and he had a failing kidney in the last season, which honestly, I don't know if that's true or not, chat. Who knows? But prayers up to him if that actually did happen. Yeah, because that's sad. Extremely. Updates. I've been going through my DMs on Instagram. I have a couple supporters, or a lot of supporters that actually watch my videos. They comment, they DM me personally. They love the video. They I think you should do this, or I think you should get another modification. Hey, 1804, I think you know who you are. I do appreciate the love that you always give me. Continue to be supportive as much as you can, gang. We're just gonna, it's a slow grind right now. But I am very, very grateful and thankful, thankful for the man above as well. But I am thankful for 2,200. I don't even know how many subscribers we're at, but I really appreciate all you guys, seriously. It's a dream come true. A monetized content creator, did that in a whole year of grinding. See, look, Chad, I've said this so many times. If you actually just sit down with yourself, write your ideas out, or make a schedule for yourself, and you just consistently post for a whole year, dude, you're gonna be somewhere in life. Like, I promise you, something's gonna flip for y'all. I'm dead serious.
That's what I'm talking about. This shit means something to me, man.
I started at 9 subscribers 2 years ago, right? Ever since I got in an accident, right? Started posting, right? Right? Boys, we hit like 1,005 subscribers like around May of last year. Technically, yeah, last year, yeah. Crazy. That's crazy, dog. Dang, it stopped raining heavy. Look, my homeboys outside. You see them? Okay. So this probably be like a 12-15 minute video, but if you guys do want to see more raining POVs, I definitely got you guys. It hasn't rained at all lately, so I couldn't really produce videos for you guys like that. I'm done doing night POVs unless if I get LED lights, ambient lighting all through the car, but I don't really think I need that. I'll do a night drive if it's like the sun's going down, but fall's about to come, so daylight savings is about to drop to 5 p.m. So hey, I feel like that's pretty cool to do a POV, you know what I'm saying? But chat, if I had like a Beamer, if I had like something different than a Camry, we would definitely have more than 2,000. In my mind, I think we would have. But hey, make sure you guys do follow the TikTok. It's __fades, FADES. That's my Transformers account. And then I have another account. It's called theOnlycarter. I post like thoughts, words, and put like a photo of myself. That's what I do. That's my offline account. And then I have a Transformers account. You know what I'm saying? So theOnlycarter and __fades if you guys really want to tap into the content. You know what I'm saying, chat? Just me and you. Oh, baby. Oh, you heard that? Just me and you. Gang, what are we doing? You could have gone. Like, we're just sitting there. I hate NPCs with a passion, bruh. That blows me. Oh yeah, we're going deeper. We're going deeper in the forest. We going deep. 57 and a 35. Oh my. Honestly, I can't even see, but it's cool. You got to go deeper into the storm. Got to, bro. Oh my gosh, I know y'all boys saw that. Oh, shit. I know y'all seen that. I know y'all seen that lightning bolt. Oh, shit. Oh my God. Oh, let's just have the window down. I don't even care. I feel like I'm in Outer Banks right now. Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. I know y'all seen that lightning bolt. Oh my gosh. Muddy. That was a flash right there. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, I'm about to get out for a sec so I can show y'all 360 of the car. And then that's gonna be the end of this video. It's a short little POV drive, you know what I'm saying? Today, I really just went to go get Starbucks. I didn't think it was gonna rain, but perfect timing. I wish I had my GoPro, but it's cool, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if y'all made it this far, make sure you guys do subscribe. Let's run this video up, because some of you guys, or most of you guys, did do the poll that I sent on the post maybe like last week, and you guys, majority of the people wanted a rainy POV drive, right? So run this video up. If I see it's over 1,000, I'll definitely try to strive to do another rainy POV, you know what I'm saying? But once winter time comes, y'all, I'm giving y'all a snow POV, and that shit's gonna be fun. I gotta get a new tire before we do all that, because that's gonna be rough. It gets really rough out here in Cleveland, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, 44? I don't even care. Just me and you, ooh, baby. No. Don't worry about me, worry about me. YouTube, I'm about to get wet. I don't even care. I don't even care to get wet, shawty. Alright, hold up. We're gonna wait for this car to go by. Hopefully y'all been blessed as well. Right, chat? Hold up. Oh, y'all see the car, you know what I'm saying? Look at the Camry, boys. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? We do this, chat. She beautiful in the rain, I ain't gonna lie. All right, yo, make sure you guys do subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all again in the next video. Wallahi for life. Love you guys. Do something positive this weekend, you know what I'm saying? And I'll see y'all again for sure.